Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Gemini placements. This is your July general and the person on your mind reading. Okay, so yes, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating po sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin sa ating mga items. Okay, so andito sila lahat. Yes, oo. So, isa-isahin natin. Again, oo. So, protection from evil eye. Do have ring, necklace, and bracelets. Okay, so ito sila. So, iyan. Oo. Ito. Okay. Bracelet and ating necklace. There. Okay. So, yeah. This is all unisex. And, pagdating sa ating 2-in-1. Oo. 2-in-1. Love and money bracelet. So, meron siyang citrine. Okay po. Citrine is for it's like abundance, no? Nandyan din yung energy na, yeah, money magnet ang ating citrine stone. Okay, so ginagamit siya sa negosyo, ginagamit siya sa career, sa trabaho, mga ganyang bagay. Okay, so kapag meron ka niyan, matik, may darating at darating. Oo, para siyang magnet nga, no? Pagdating sa kaperahan. So, hindi lang love ang makukuha, kundi money rin. So, kung lalaki ka, gusto mo nito, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa red pouch. Okay? So, yun po. And, syempre, yung ating evil eye. Yung ating granter necklace. Yung taga-grant ng inyong mga minamanifest. And, ano pa ba? Tagapagbigay ng surprises weekly. Weekly po, ha? Yung ating granter nagbibigay ng surprises. Small, medium, large energy. Okay? So, ang ating next is yung tagapagtanggal ng MALAS ng alat. Okay? Sabit mo sa pinto ng inyong bahay, sabit mo sa business mo. Yan, okay? Pwedeng pang sarili. Suot mo. Kung ayaw mo suot, lagay mo lang sa pouch. Red or white? Pwede na yun. Okay? So, kailangan ko ng inyong real name. Okay? Real name po, ha? Please lang. Oo. Wag nyo nang ipagdamot yung inyong name dahil inyo rin naman to. So, okay? Hindi ko naman kukunin yung pangalan mo at gagawin kong pangalan ko. Okay? So, yeah, kailangan lang natin. Anyway, so let's start, Gemini. Okay? So, general, what's for you this July? Gemini. 9 of Swords. Oof. What's that? Strength. Some of you, pwede dumaan kayo sa isang situation na parang, yes, struggle, no? Mahirap, pero mag-a-act as somebody who is so strong. Okay? Acting strong outside. The world in reversed. Okay. So, meron ako nakikita dito. Yun nga, energy ng kauntian lang naman na drama ngayong July. And I think kung ano man ito, manggagaling to sa past. Okay? Manggagaling sa past. Or pwedeng may pending or delay. May nakuha ko ditong uuwi. The world in reversed. Uuwi. Okay? So, what else? The lovers in reversed. The 3 of Wands. Some of you There could be a situation, partnership could be na parang ang dami or ang lalaki na expectations. Pwedeng yung partner mo may malaking expectations sa'yo. Pero, yeah, the lovers is here. This is your energy. May chance na magkaroon ng discussion dito. Yeah, the King of Pentacles in reverse. Be careful na malagay sa isang, or sabihin natin ma-compromise this July. Okay, mga Gemini? Avoid yung ma-compromise ngayong July. Yes. Kasi nandiyan yung mga expectations eh. Pwedeng magagawa mo ba to? Or magagawa niya to? Mga ganyang bagay. Pero, mga compromise. What else? Gemini. The Knight of Wands. Somebody will get caught cheating. Somebody will this July. Syempre, i-deny. The Knight of Wands. Yeah, and the Queen of Swords. Somebody will get caught cheating. Pero i-deny. Okay? Ano mangyayari doon? Anong outcome nun, if ever? The Knight of Pentacles. May mag-stop. Okay? May mag-i-stop. See? Death. May matitigil or yun nga, may hinto or may mag-i-end. Anyway. So, meron din ako ditong nakikita na energy ng merong makakasuhan. I don't know, that's not for all. Pero yeah, the energy is telling me na somebody will get caught. Okay? Anyway, so there. Be careful. Gawin yung gabay. Okay? So let's see. Tayo tumungo na sa the person. The person on your mind, Gemini. Were they? So, sino ba itong nasa isip mo, Gemini? Okay. The Empress in reversed. Some of them, hindi sila ganoon na good looking or hindi sila ganoon ka-available maybe sa'yo. Something like that. The Empress in reversed. Yeah. Itong taong to, hindi pwede sa'yo to. Alam mo yun. Okay? Hindi sila available for you, Gemini. They're not. They're dropping you. Some of them could be may anak na kayo. Kung sino man to. Okay? Ano bang meron sa situation? Anong nangyayari ngayon? Currently. The Seven of Cups. Okay. Itong taong to, kung hindi man nga sa'yo available, chances are pwedeng meron silang kakonek or meron silang gustong iba. Or may iba. Yeah, the Devil. Okay? And doon sila naka-attach. Ayaw na sa'yo. Ano yung outcome nyo? Some of you again, meron kayong anak. Parang meron ng itong taong to, sabihin natin some of them, kaya ayaw na. Parang natotoxic ka na. Natotoxic ka na sa situation, I guess. I'm hearing miscarriage for some of you. Be careful. Be careful. So, what's the outcome or advice for you? Yeah, drop it. Ten of Wands in reverse. And you have to drop something. I don't know kung ano. The Tower. Something na magkakos ng mas malaking issue. Yeah, the 5 of Pentacles. Be careful, I'm hearing miscarriage. Okay? So this is, yeah, for me, energy ng miscarriage. The Moon. There's a lot na pwede pang mabuksan na issue if ever. So, lalaki ng lalaki. Kung ayaw na nitong makipag-ayos sa'yo, I think some of them or some of you gusto mong makipag-ayos dito sa taong to or sila. Kung meron pa rin pong issue na nagbibigay, okay, nagpo-provide ng hindi magandang energy sa situation, then kailangan po munang i-drop yun. Okay? Hindi po tayo pwedeng gumawa ng kung ano man na decision kung hindi na naman kayo magtatagpo ng taong to sa parehong intention. Okay? So, yeah. And some of you, kailangan mong maging handa sa sagot na hindi. Sa sagot na no. Okay? So, what else? Who else? Who is this person? Gemini. Who is this? Who is this? The Queen of Cups, Universe. Selfish. 3 of Pentacles. Sarili lang nito ang pinapakinggan niya. Sarili lang niya, opinion lang niya, plano lang niya ang dapat masusunod. Anong sitwasyon niyo? 6 of Wands. The Queen of Wands, Universe. So, meron ditong sunod-sunuran at meron ditong hari-harian, ha? May mga ganyan ditong energy. Some of you could be in a situation na parang same gender ang relasyon, okay? So parang one-sided na connection. Some of you you're dealing with a person na parang open sila for sabihin natin open sila kung sino man yung mga gustong connect, pero yeah, kasi nakikita ko dito masyadong tago yung connection. Kailangan tago yung connection, I don't know why. So somebody is still getting a lot of attention from other people, so hindi healthy. Okay, parang tago na connection. So, meaning to say, kung tago, hindi alam ng ibang tao na nasa connection na kayo ng taong to. So, nakakakuha pa rin ng attention or kung ano man yung isa. Let's see. Parang naglalaro lang to eh. Yeah, 10 of Wands. So, burden na to. This is not healthy. This is not good. So, anong kailangan? Anong advice for you, Gemini? Kaya siguro, some of you, itong taong to, is sinisikreto yung connection nyo, is yes, gusto pa rin niya kasing makakuha ng kung ano mang attention na pwedeng ibigay sa kanya. Some of them, they have a lot of insecurities pagdating sa sarili nila. So, they need, sabihin natin, mga gandang salita, no, from other people. Parang ganyan. So, the Ace of Swords is here in reversed. No label, some of you. Secrets, lies, deception, unhealthy. Ano ang advice for you, Gemini, sa connection na to? Again, death. If this connection's giving you a lot of stress, a lot of nating unhealthy energy, then changes or endings ang kailangan mangyari. Yeah, the Ace of Cups in reverse. It's not going anywhere. It's not working out. The 8 of Pentacles in reverse. The 9 of Cups. Mas magiging okay ka kung maging single ka na from this connection, from this person. Okay? So, yeah. Hang on. Sandali lang po. Okay. So, all signs. Let's see. Aries through Pisces for you, Gemini. Okay, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, kung may tanong po ha, PM. Okay, direct message tayo. Okay. So, Aries, they attracted sa'yo. Taurus, they have commitment issues. Some of them, they're like, hindi sila totally marunong magseryoso. Itong Taurus, okay? Gemini, no focus at all. Cancer, they want commitments with you. They want long-term connection. Leo, they see, sabihin nating focus, or they see, sabihin nating parang mahabaan, no, na pagsasama, commitments. Yeah, I think, yeah, this Leo likes you. They like you. Virgo, they're hiding. They're hiding. You can't trust this Virgo, I think. Meron silang parang tinatago from you. Libra, they're waiting for you. Scorpio, they're unhappy. They're unhappy. Sagittarius, they can't move on. Capricorn, oops, insecurities, insecure. Aquarius, burden. Pisces, a decision. Okay, so parang may pagpiling gagawin si Pisces. So, yeah, yun ang aking reading for you. Gemini placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Goodbye.